Alright, here we are, day one of kayaking here in Thailand. Low winds, bit of clouds, and above the Viet Cong. Charlie don't surf. Okay, here I am in my kayak, and it looks as though I'm in the way of the group here. And here's our sailing crew, kayaking up the lagoon, ready to rock. Say hello. Say rock and roll. Louder. That's better. Lake Chi Lung, here in Thailand, an artificial lake, about 7 kilometers long, created by a dam a few years back, and all of the trees were flooded out, but it's a beautiful lake. It's a freshwater lake. It's great to swim in, and especially great to kayak in. So we're going to enjoy a couple of days here, and we certainly are enjoying the view here. This is Chris Vassbotn for Al Jazeera News, Lake Chi Lung, Thailand. Okay, here we are. It's Christmas vacation, December 2007, here in Lake Chi Lung, Thailand. This is our kayaking headquarters, and these are our floating bungalows where we are sleeping. Great, calm, quiet landscape. There's nothing like the sound of silence. Here in the jungle, on a hike. The vines and the vegetation fighting for sunlight. And the Bruins still working on their power play. Hi, here I am at the island of Koh Yao Noi here in Thailand. It's a sunrise morning, as all mornings are. And the water is nice. It's also wet. Here comes the sun.